So guys, recently I've been seeing videos like this all over the place. You can see it's videos like this, videos like this, and videos like this. And videos like this are getting a lot of views and they are getting a lot of engagement, a lot of comments. And if you are online, you should know that more views equals to more money. So today I want to show you guys how you can recreate things like this so that you can start making some money for yourself. So pay close attention how I guide you on how to do this step by step. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe for more content coming your way, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. All right, so if you search for stand-up comedy, you're going to see things like this. You have a choice to make. You can decide to use Nigerian stand-up comedy, or you can use foreign stand-up comedy, or you can search for a particular individual. So what you have to do, just scroll down. For example, this particular person right here, this video has over 608,000 likes, which means more and more views. So let me just go ahead and click on that. I'm just going to come here and copy the link right here. Now the next thing is for me to open a new tab right here and search for TikTok video downloader. Now there are a lot of TikTok video downloader. The one I like using is this one. They call it Snaptic right here. And the reason why you're using TikTok video downloader is so that you can actually download this particular video you just copied from TikTok. And the reason why you want to download this video right here is so that you can actually use the sound. The next thing we have to do is for us to open another new tab right here, search for Adobe Free Animator or Adobe Free Animation Maker. And once you search for that, this first link is going to open. Just go ahead and click on the first link right here. Now once you click on the first link, you're going to see that it's going to open a page like this for you. Me, I have my Adobe account. I'm using the Pro, but you can use this for free. You can see right here they say free to use, no credit card required, which means this is actually free. So what I'm going to do is for me to come here and click on create now. This is what we want to do, but this is not exactly what we want to do. Now note that this particular animator can help you make any kind of videos. I'm going to recommend you make your own videos your own way. For example, pick a character and you can give it a voiceover, maybe an AI voiceover or something, and make something creative for yourself, which is still okay, right? You need to be creative enough. So once you click on characters, you just give it some time to load. Once it loads, you're going to see different characters right here. So let me just go ahead and keep scrolling down. This, we are not looking for all this. Like I said earlier, you can customize the character to exactly what you want. So you can choose any one you want. This is what we are looking for. They call it sticky. So let me just go ahead and click on that. Now once you click on that, remember you can decide to make it fit the screen, right? I think this is the perfect move. Make it fit the screen like this. The next thing right here is for you to change the background. So you can decide to change the background right here to any available background that they are going to give you right here. Before we even talk about background, let's talk about the size. This is 1:1 just for Instagram, but what we want to do, we want to use 9:16. This is for TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, right? This is actually amazing. So let's come back to our background. For us to be able to export this particular video, we have to change this background to green. So let's come to color. Let's click on custom. So we need a green background. Another reason why we are picking a green background right here, so that we can remove it in our video editor. And the next thing is for us to bring in that particular video we downloaded on TikTok. So I'm just going to come here and click on browse. Just bring in the video that I downloaded through that our TikTok downloader. So now it's actually loading. You can see they are trying to sync it together. So it's going to take some time, maybe a few minutes for this thing to sync. So what we are doing right here is that we want to create this stick man in a stand-up comedy format. Then after we do this, the next thing is for us to upload this on YouTube and make some money, but not really YouTube. I'm going to tell you where to upload it so that I can still make more money and it's going to be more safer. Guys, so we just finished our video and looking at it right now, it looks very, very good. So the next thing is for you to click on download. So I just click on download and it's actually downloading. Now the reason why I use my computer for this, it's because if you do it with your phone, it's going to the characters are going to look choked up. So it's going to take more time if you're doing it with your phone, more than if you're doing it with a computer. So now that we have our video, the next is for me to transfer it from my laptop to my phone. Then we start our editing with my phone. Alright guys, so now we have our everything. We have our video, our stickman video, but now we need a background. So just come over to Google and search for cartoon stage background. You're going to see a ton of them here that you can download. So just go ahead and pick one to download it. Now after you finish downloading this particular image, the next thing is for you to put people in the scene. Is very, very important. Well, doing that, you can use Nano Banana to do that. So after a little back and forth with Google's Nano Banana I got some pretty good stages here. I mean, they're not really that perfect. I know I did not give it some time to prompt, but I got some pretty good stages, and that is what we want to use in our video today. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to InShot right here. InShot is actually a video editor that allows you to edit videos. You can see how it actually looks like. So I'm going to click on a new project right here. I'm going to import the stage. I mean, we got a lot of stages, but I think I like this one better. Now I'm going to zoom in right here, so that we get that particular comedy style background. Now after I zoom in, I'm just going to expand this. So the video is actually 45 seconds, so I'm going to come here and put the 45 second right here. All right, so 45 second. Okay, so let me just go ahead and bring in that video we made. Remember, we exported a video on a green screen. This is how it looked like. So I'm going to come here and remove the green screen. Let me click on this cutout chroma key. So let me remove the green screen. I'm just going to make it more nice. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is for me to bring this guy, put this guy on the stage, right? So let me just put this guy on the stage like that. I mean, that actually looks good already, right? That looks good already. Or I can just go ahead and zoom it more in, then so that I can make the guy more bigger. Okay, so let me put him on the stage right there. You have two options right here. You can decide to post it like this, or you can decide to add a microphone, and then after that you export it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the what I'm going to do is for me to go and search for microphones. Just going to drag the microphone to where this guy is talking. So I'm going to put the microphone somewhere there. I mean, it's not that bad, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So you can see. Now let's preview our video. Let's see. Okay. All right, so that actually looks nice. This looks nice already, and let's see where this actually ends. So I'm going to come here and cut it out. So let me cut this out, then let's cut the microphone to out so that everything will end correctly. Now this is good, right? This is good. I mean, not that bad, but I think this is good, right? So this is good. I think we should bring this to the middle of the stage. Yeah, and we should also bring this to the middle of the stage, yeah. So we got this, and this is nice already. So now right now what I'm going to do is for me to just go ahead and export this particular video right here. So let me export it at 1080p. Right now I can actually post this on Facebook, because I'm going to recommend you post this on TikTok and on Facebook. If you post this on YouTube, you might get a copyright claim. You might, I'm not saying you're going to, but you might get a copyright claim because of the background sound. I get to me, because most the things that give people copyright mostly is just the sound, the music, the sound, the audio. But if you post this on Facebook, you also might get copyright, but not as much as it's going to be on YouTube. I get me. But the main place to post this is on TikTok. So just create a new TikTok page, post this, and you start making money from that if you are in an eligible country. Or create a Facebook page and start posting things like this every single day, 5-10 every single day. If you want to make it more better and post it on YouTube, make sure you use your voice. You can decide to use your voice. You can decide to pay a voice actor. You can decide to use AI, right? You can decide to use AI to create the voiceovers. Then from there you can decide to post it on YouTube. But if you post this on YouTube like this, remember I say if you post it on YouTube like this, you might get a copyright claim on the video if you post it like this on YouTube, right? The only place you can post things like this on TikTok and on Facebook. So you can see that our video here actually looks amazing. I mean, this is how it looks like. The video looks amazing. Even me right now, I'm scared of bringing up the voice because I don't want to get copyright. So that is how you can start creating these stickman videos, and you can even make more than $50 per video if you're only creative enough to start making the voiceovers by yourself or using AI. Comment AI in the comment section if you would like me to create a video on how you can also make the voiceovers using AI, so that you can avoid some copyright, or so that you can avoid copyright copyright on YouTube, especially for people that want to start posting it on YouTube. But don't forget, Facebook also pays. Facebook is working. I'm using Facebook. I've monetized Facebook. Facebook will also pay you. So try this on Facebook. You can still post it on TikTok if you have a UK TikTok or a US TikTok, and start monetizing your videos if you get more views on your videos. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and let me know if you're going to try this out in the comment section.